In this video, I'll show you how to set up a T-Mobile mesh access point with T-Mobile Home Internet to extend Wi-Fi coverage and fix weak signal areas. What's in the box? You'll typically find T-Mobile mesh access point, power adapter, Ethernet cable, quick start guide. Keep the mesh unit near your main T-Mobile gateway during setup. Step 1. Check your T-Mobile gateway. Before adding the mesh, the gateway must be powered on. It must be connected to the internet. Your Wi-Fi network should already be working. The mesh will not pair if the gateway is offline. Step 2. Power on the mesh access point. Plug the power adapter into the mesh. Connect it to a wall outlet near the gateway. Wait for the LED to change from solid white to blinking white. Blinking white means the mesh is ready to pair. Step 3. Pair the mesh with the gateway. Connect the mesh access point to the gateway using the Ethernet cable from the box. Watch the LED change from blinking green to solid green. A solid green light confirms successful pairing. Once paired, unplug the Ethernet cable. Step 4. Place the mesh correctly. Move the mesh to the area with weak Wi-Fi. Place it between the gateway and that area. Keep it in an open space. Avoid thick walls, metal objects, TVs, or appliances. Plug it into a permanent outlet. If the light turns yellow or red, move it closer to the gateway. Solid green means ideal placement. Step 5. Connect your devices. The mesh uses the same Wi-Fi name and password. Devices connect automatically. Coverage should now be stronger and more stable. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Use the T-Life app to check signal strength, manage devices, and adjust Wi-Fi settings. T-Mobile mesh access points can extend coverage up to 200 square feet and help handle more devices at once. Already using one or planning to add a mesh? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more setup guides from Tekzoid.